Amber child abduction alert from the New Jersey State Police. The New Jersey State Police is searching for Emery Rivera, a 7-month-old Hispanic female with black hair and brown eyes, last known to be wearing a Minnie Mouse sweater. She was last seen in Vineland, New Jersey on January 4th at 11 p.m. She was reported abducted by Ramon Rivera, a 22-year-old Hispanic male, 5'7", 140 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Rivera is operating a bronze-colored Acura MDX with New Jersey registration H79NSN. Repeating, the Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber child abduction alert for the New Jersey State Police. The New Jersey State Police is searching for Emery Rivera, 7-month-old Hispanic female, last known to be wearing a Minnie Mouse sweater. She was last seen in Vineland, New Jersey on January 4th at 11 p.m. She was reported abducted by Ramon Rivera, a 22-year-old Hispanic male, 5'7", 140 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Rivera is operating a bronze-colored Acura MDX with New Jersey registration H79NSN. Anyone with information about the abduction should immediately contact the police by calling 911. For more information, go to www.amber.pa.gov. This has been an Amber Child Abduction Alert from the New Jersey State Police.